Jai Gurudev students. Students, welcome once again in the economics class. Students, today we will study the chapter Human Capital Formation. Human capital formation, you can understand student that human capital formation means it is the development of human resource by developing the quality of the human being through education, through skills, through providing good health, through information and training also. So when the particular person, when the normal human being, that is he is not educated, he is not skilled, and other type of health facilities or other things, it should not be given to him. So he is normally known as the human resource, but that particular person can be become the human capital only when we develop the skills like we are giving proper education, we are giving training, we are providing good health and other sources of human capital formation. So that particular person can become a good human capital. Human capital, you know that it's increase the earning capacity of the person and also enhance the productive capacity of the particular worker. So human capital formation is very important for the economic development of the country, and you have studied the different sources of human capital formation कि एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन जो है वो ह्यूमन कैपिटल कैसे बन सकता है. कैपिटल मीन्स व्हेन ही इज अर्निंग मोर, when he's earning for the economy, when he's earning for his family. That means when he is giving some knowledge, he his give proper health facilities and skills should be given to the person. So then that person is known as the human capital. The different sources of human capital are that we are doing expenditure on education. Education is very important, that without education a person is like lifeless, means he's only surviving and don't know anything. That means he is not giving anything for the economic development of the country, for his country's development. So expenditure on education is very important, and equally expenditure on health is also important. That if the person is educated but he is not having good health, then also no use. So the person must be of good health, because a sound body is in the sound mind. That is, a person is healthy, then only he is able to do work for himself or for the country also. So expenditure on education and expenditure on health is a very important source of human capital formation. The next source of human capital formation is on the job training. That is, third is on the job training. On the job training, students, you know that when we are giving training to the particular person, that is after getting job or either at the time of job, when the employees, when the particular firm is providing a particular training to their employees, that is, this training should be given by some specialized person or some specialized people, those who are having the good knowledge of that particular work. So this type, when training is given to the person, so it makes the earning, it increasing earning capacity of the person, and it makes him to earn more, and can be known as the human capital. So on the job training is very important. On the job training has different forms, like this type of training should be given to the employees at the time of giving jobs also and after getting jobs also. When the particular firm is doing expenditure on providing the training to their workers, so the cost will be nothing, because whatever the expenditure he has done, he will get more income. That means his earning capacity increases, his production capacity increases, and it increases the productive capacity of the workers also, and also the worker is able to earn more for their family. So on the job training is very important for the development of human development as well as for the economic development of the country, as because it develops the skills among the workers, it develops the efficiency among the workers, that now the worker is able to perform work efficiently. अब जब वर्कर्स, आप देखिए एक नॉर्मल पर्सन है जिसको, क्योंकि अनट्रेंड है, एक अनट्रेंड और एक अनस्किल्ड पर्सन में और एक स्किल्ड और ट्रेंड पर्सन में कितना अंतर होता है. दैट मीन्स अ स्किल्ड पर्सन इज डूइंग द वर्क प्रॉपरली, ही इज डूइंग द वर्क एफिशिएंटली, और वो अनट्रेंड पर्सन के कंपैरिजन में कई गुना ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन कर सकता है. And when increase the production capacity increases and the firm's capacity is also increases, and in this way the firm is earning more and he is giving more remuneration to their employees. So on the job training is very important for the development of the country, and it increases the standard of living of the workers also, because now he is able to earn more for their family and for himself also. So on the job training is a good source of human capital formation. Next source of human capital formation is expenditure on on migration. Expenditure on migration is also very much important, that when government is doing, or when there will be doing expenditure on migration. So migration can be done for different purposes, like a person is migrating from rural areas to urban areas in search of jobs, and even the person from urban areas is going to abroad or some other countries for also getting good high salary or good remuneration. So there is a migration for better choice. So expenditure on migration is also very much important for a human capital formation, because if the person is getting search, if the person is having the search of the place where he is getting more income, he is getting more wages or the more salaries, so he is migrating from one place to another. Migration makes the country developed also, because if the people is not migrating from one place to another, so the economic development will not take place, the earning capacity will not increase. तो अगर हमारे पास अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है, हमें ज़्यादा पैसा मिल रहा है, तो हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं. पीपल आर मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर इन सर्च ऑफ जॉब्स. Unemployed people move from one place for getting jobs, for searching jobs, and even the people of rural areas are going to urban areas for doing jobs there, because in the rural areas there is very less number of work is available for them, and the many people are remain unemployed, or either they are engaged in agricultural activity. So the people are migrating from rural areas to urban areas. So migration is also very important. Migration means अगर आपको कहीं अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, if you are searching that where is the good education you are getting, and where is the good prospects you are getting for education, and also where you are getting high salary, so that is then you need to migrate from one place to another. मीन्स आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए कब जाते हैं, जब आपको लगता है कि वहां पर बेटर आपके लिए प्रमोशंस के चांसेस है, बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल है. सो माइग्रेशन इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, दैट पीपल आर माइग्रेटिंग फ्रॉम वन एरिया टू अनदर एरिया फॉर increasing, for raising the human capital for their development. Now the next source of human capital formation is expenditure on information. Expenditure on information, the student, that it is the awareness. The people will know that where he is getting good prospects of job, good salaries, and even if the person wants good education, so he can find where he is getting good education, and also after getting the education, where is the opportunity for him to get the good job or good remuneration. So this information must be needed. If the person is not having any information of the opportunities available to him, so he will lose that particular opportunity, or he will not get that benefit. So information is necessary. अगर हमारे पास, हमें ये इन्फॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए कि हमारे लिए कहाँ पर बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल फॉर देन, सो दैट we should be aware, and in this work is doing better, doing by the media also, no, with the help of advertisement, with the help of internet, people are aware, and people are getting information of everything. Now information expenditure on education is important, because information about where the opportunities is available, where are the better chances of progress, how we can produce more. That is, you can only able to understand how you are getting produced more, because if you are knowing where the particular information you are getting, from where you are getting the sources, so that it will increase your productivity also. आपको कहाँ से अच्छी जगह से जॉब मिल सकती है, कहाँ पर आपको ज़्यादा बेटर क्वालिटी की सर्विसेज मिल सकती हैं, दैट ओनली इफ इज पॉसिबल टू यू व्हेन यू आर अवेयर, व्हेन यू हैव इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट थिंग्स. अगर आपको, आपके पास डिग्रीज है, आपके पास नॉलेज है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन आपको यही नहीं पता कि आपको काम कहाँ मिलना है. सो इन्फॉर्मेशन ज़रूरी है. Not only expenditure on education, expenditure on health, on the job training and migration is needed, but expenditure on information is equally important. That information सबको properly, timely pass out होनी चाहिए, that कि where the person is getting the benefit, where the person is getting the salary, where is the better person is getting the job, or where the person is getting the good education. So students, these are the different sources of human capital formation. That is, a person needed expenditure on education, because education is very important. An uneducated person is doing nothing for himself and even for the country also, and he is also not knowing what is good and what is bad. This only he can understand when he got the proper education. And also health is also equally important. If you are having good health, so you can work more, you can work efficiently, and also that on the job training is must. If you are getting training for the work, so your working hours should be increased, and you will get the proper working hours so that you will increase the productivity. And also not only on the job training, but information is also needed, and also expenditure on migration and expenditure information will be helpful for development of the country. So when we are giving all these sources to the particular person, the person will be known as the human capital. So these are the sources of human capital formation.